Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the installation ended prematurely because of an error message in Windows. And now, let's get started. If you are encountering an error that states installation ended prematurely, do not worry, there are several effective solutions. Our first method involves running a disk check. To begin, open the Windows search bar and type command prompt. Right-click on command prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator command prompt window, type the command chkdsk /rsp/f and then press Enter. You will likely be prompted to confirm this operation. Press Y and then press Enter again to schedule the disk check for the next restart. Our second solution focuses on the Windows Installer service. Again, use the Windows search bar and type Services. Open the Services application. Scroll down the list of services until you find Windows Installer. Right-click on the Windows Installer service and select either Start or Restart, depending on which option is available. This ensures the service is running correctly and can complete installations. Finally, we will utilize the System File Checker tool for a thorough scan. Open the command prompt as administrator once more, just as you did for the disk check. In the administrator command prompt, type the command sfc/scan and then press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files and attempt to repair any corrupted or missing files that might be causing installation errors. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.